Hey there, fellow EV enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of Tesla's electric vehicle empire, the Supercharger network. You know, those sleek, futuristic stations that dot the globe, fueling Tesla cars with lightning speed. But what exactly is the Supercharger network, and how does it revolutionize electric travel? Let's find out. What is the Tesla Supercharger network? Think of the Supercharger network as Tesla's very own private highway system, designed to make long-distance EV travel a breeze. It's a network of high-powered charging stations strategically located across the globe, offering Tesla owners a reliable and efficient way to recharge their cars. But it's not just about the charging stations themselves. The Supercharger network is a whole ecosystem that works together to enhance the EV driving experience. Let's break down its key components. Superchargers. At the heart of the network are the superchargers themselves. These powerful stations can pump electricity into a Tesla battery at a remarkable rate, adding up to 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes. That's fast enough to keep you cruising along highways without worrying about running out of juice. Network coverage. The Supercharger network is extensive, with over 60,000 superchargers worldwide. This means you're never far from a charging station, making road trips a stress-free experience. Whether you're exploring the scenic route or heading to a big city, you can always find a supercharger to keep your Tesla going. Convenient locations. Tesla strategically places its superchargers in convenient locations, such as rest areas, gas stations, and shopping malls. This makes it easy to stop for a charge while you grab a bite to eat, run errands, or simply relax. Seamless charging experience. The Supercharger experience is designed to be as seamless as possible. When you pull into a supercharger station, the charging connector automatically pops out, and you can simply plug it into your Tesla. The payment process is also integrated into the Tesla app, so you don't have to worry about fumbling with cash or credit cards. Trip Planner. Tesla's innovative Trip Planner tool makes it easy to plan your route and ensure you have enough charge to reach your destination. The Trip Planner takes into account your current battery level, driving style, and the location of superchargers along your route. It will even recommend the best stops for charging and estimate your arrival time. Benefits of the Supercharger network. The Supercharger network offers a multitude of benefits to Tesla owners, making it a game-changer for electric vehicle adoption. Here are some of the key advantages. Reduced range anxiety. One of the biggest concerns for potential EV buyers is range anxiety, or the fear of running out of battery power before reaching a charging station. The Supercharger network effectively eliminates this anxiety by providing a reliable and extensive network of charging stations. Fast charging. Superchargers can add up to 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes, making them significantly faster than traditional home chargers or public charging stations. This means you can spend less time waiting and more time enjoying the drive. Cost-effective. While the initial cost of a Tesla may be higher than a traditional gasoline-powered car, the long-term savings on fuel can be substantial. Supercharging is typically cheaper than filling up a gas tank, especially when you consider the lower cost of electricity. Road trip friendly. The Supercharger network makes long-distance travel a breeze for Tesla owners. With over 60,000 superchargers worldwide, you can confidently embark on road trips without worrying about running out of power. Seamless experience. The Supercharger experience is designed to be as seamless as possible. From the moment you pull into a station to the moment you plug in your Tesla, the process is quick and easy. The future of the Supercharger network. Tesla is constantly expanding its Supercharger network to make it even more accessible and convenient for EV owners. The company is also working on developing new technologies to further improve the charging experience, such as higher-powered superchargers and wireless charging. As the number of electric vehicles on the road continues to grow, the Supercharger network will play an increasingly important role in driving the adoption of EVs. It's a testament to Tesla's commitment to making electric transportation a viable and attractive option for everyone. The Tesla Supercharger network is a revolutionary infrastructure that has transformed the way we think about long-distance electric travel. With its extensive network of high-powered charging stations, convenient locations, and seamless charging experience, the Supercharger network makes it easy for Tesla owners to hit the road and explore the world without worrying about running out of power. As the network continues to grow and evolve, we can expect to see even more people making the switch to electric vehicles. The Supercharger network is a testament to Tesla's commitment to sustainable transportation and its vision of a future where electric vehicles are the norm. So, if you're considering an electric vehicle, Tesla and its Supercharger network are definitely worth a look. With its fast charging speeds, extensive network coverage, and convenient locations, the Supercharger network makes it easy to own and enjoy an electric car. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy driving.